Hello there guys, welcome back to Die Wehrmacht 44. In today's video, it is part 2 of the Sturmgewehr. So in this video today, we're going to be field stripping this weapon, so what it would be stripped down to for daily cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be pretty short, there's not a lot of components to actually strip down, but we'll be going through it step by step. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So guys, in the first 2 steps, you want to obviously, with any weapon, even though this is a replica, you want to make sure that the weapon is safe. So the first thing you're going to do is 1, remove your magazine. You can see there's no rounds in this magazine at all. And then 2, you would also check to see if there's no round chambered. I know there's not, I have cleared this obviously before filming, so we know that is clear. So the second step in part 1 is to then remove your sling. So it's fairly simple, it's exactly the same as a K98 sling. So what you're going to do down here, you're going to take here, you're going to defrag it. We're just going to take apart the sling like normal. The sling is a bit dry, I actually haven't taken this off recently since my last event, which I need to actually do to clean, so this is actually very good. So you're going to take the frog section of your sling and put that to one side. Then it's fairly simple after that. You're going to pull your sling back through, take it through here, and then remove the full sling. Then you can do, just roll it up and put it to one side. I'm going to do this a bit later on, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to soak my sling in some leather fat and let that soak. So after you've removed your sling and your magazine and made sure the weapon is clear, the next step after that is you're going to remove this pin here. So this is holding the stock to the receiver. So what you're going to do, on this side, there's a little spring mechanism here. So you push that spring mechanism here in, and then you're going to start to push the pin through. And then you're going to flip the weapon back over, and you're going to be able to pull the pin right out. Make sure you keep a hand on the stock, because if you don't, the recoil spring will shoot out. So after you've taken that pin out, you're going to remove the stock. So this is the stock and the lower part here. After that, you're then going to be able to remove the recoil spring. It's just a simple long spring, narrow-ended either end. So after you've removed the recoil spring, you're going to be able to drop the trigger mechanism and its housing. It's on a rivet through here, so it's on a hinged section. You're going to be able to lower that. You're then going to be able to pull your bolt and your piston rod out. So that also includes the cocking handle. So guys, as you can see, this is what the weapon would look like after being stripped down for daily cleaning. So this is sort of just your standard field strip of this weapon. Like I said, the TMH can come down, or the trigger mechanism housing can come down and spin down to a point like that. Also, what you can do is take off the sort of the front handguard area, and you can clean in there, because mud can get through these holes, dust can get in there. You don't want anything that can, stop the barrel from cooling, as these are cooling holes for the barrel. Apart from that guys, that's pretty much it. That's the weapon stripped down for daily cleaning. Like I said, it's going to be quite a short video. I did try and get this out yesterday, but everything went wrong. So guys, if you liked the video, please remember to comment, like and subscribe. Every bit of help is greatly appreciated. And anyway guys, and I will see you in the next video.